Hey, what is up, you guys? If you want to get funded and you want to get funded quickly, we can help you pass your account for free. I will be doing a discount. Guys, register with Algo Forex funds using my link below and buy any account size from $100,000 to $800,000. I will pass it for free for anyone that registers using my link in the video description. We can do it in less than 1 hour with HFT prop firms. Now you will get a free passing from us, completely for free, as long as you use our link in the video description. So only on Algo Forex funds, and it is actually pretty much the only HFT prop firm that is actually paying people out right now. All the other ones are not to be trusted. So if you're going to do HFT passing, this is definitely the way to do it. You can get a free passing challenge account. They offer one type of challenge. HFT Premium. HFT Premium challenges start from $100,000 up to $800,000. They have a profit target of 6% and 0 minimum trading days. They have a 6% daily drawdown and 20% max drawdown. They offer 1 to 100 leverage. They are also backed by Trde Mauritius, a regulated broker. Let's check premium evaluation. Once you click the link in the video description, they will direct you to this page. You can now choose from $100,000 up to $800,000 accounts. Let's try the FXDD Challenge $500,000 account. It costs $1,199. Click Add to Cart. Then use coupon code CRYPTO for 40% off, only for paying with crypto. Very soon it will expire because they have a limited number of coupons left. Now the $500,000 account challenge will cost you $139. You can buy with cryptocurrency. So check our Telegram and all that good stuff. We are really doing it right, and we have tons of proof here of people getting funded already. So check it out in the description below, and you can get a free challenge, guys. A free pass challenge. Exciting. All right, check it out. Give us your account credentials. Provide us with your account details, MT4 ID and password. Send us a DM on Telegram and you will be a funded trader with Algo Forex Funds prop firm. And you can join our Telegram channel. Contact us and we will help you pass your prop firm challenge for free. Don't miss the chance. See you in the next video.